Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Amir and I talk about data, cloud, and machines. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be sharing a lot of videos that will help you to become a data scientist or take your data science skills to the next level. Welcome back to data, cloud, and machines. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the appearance of your RStudio because when you first install it, it comes in this boring white, but we're going to try it and make it look cooler and tastier. But then again, depends on what is your preference. If you're happy with white, so let it be. But I'm going to show you different ways and different color themes that you can use for your RStudio environment. Before I start changing colors and fonts and themes, I'm just going to go ahead and open an R script file. This is going to make it easy for me to understand when I'm changing font size, font color, and various themes. What exactly does it mean to my overall environment? And is that something that I would like to do? So if you need a sample code to work on, I've put the download link in the description below. In RStudio, a lot of the display and graphics options sit under the Tools, Global Options, and that will take you to the Options page. So every tab on the left has its own settings sitting to the right. But what we are interested at the moment is the appearance. From the top, you can choose your RStudio theme. So currently, I am on the classic theme, which I believe is the default. But my favorite is actually the modern one. You can change the amount of zoom that you would like to get. So that essentially means how much zoom would you like on your script. The next thing, which is one of my favorite settings, is the editor font. So currently I have the Monaco, which I believe is the default, but my personal favorite is the PT Mono Regular. So for some reason, I really like this font and I normally use this one. And here is the sexy bit. All these editor themes are actually the color themes that you can change. So if I did not have this font here, this kind of R script down here, that would be really difficult for me to envision. But let me tell you what is my favorite. Idle fingers, because I believe those are my fingers in coding. So if I go ahead and apply that, that will kind of restart my view. So you can see that I have got that PT Mono font here, and the color scheme pretty much matches what I was getting in the global options. So let's have a look. Yep, that's what I have chosen. I'm pretty happy with that. But the good news is you can add your own. The other really important and handy settings is how these 4 panes are kind of put together as a whole page. So back to Tools again, Global Options. And if you go to the pane layout, that actually mimics how your panes are laid out at the moment. So I have my source code to the top left, my environment variables to the bottom left, and the console to the top right, and files and plots and all those output files to the top bottom. So you can change it to however you like. So if I change console to source, that will just swap them automatically because you cannot have 2 consoles and 2 sources. So I'm just going to go ahead and retrieve that to the default that I liked. I really like this one. I like my source code to be here, my output to be down there, and my files kind of sitting down there. But again, if you prefer something else, please go ahead and change it to your taste. You can also add a column, which means that I will add another column to the whole layout. I don't really know why you would do that, but if this is something that you would love to do, please go ahead. Otherwise, you can just go and say, remove that column, apply it, and go ahead with your coding. So good luck, please stay tuned, and see you later.